म्हजें नांव कॅनेडी आफोन्सो, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ गोवन्स फॉर गोवा. गोवन्स फॉर गोवा ही संस्था आनी आमची टीम हे फाटले 8 म्हयने भारी वावुरल्या. हो इश्यू रिवोकेशन ऑफ पासपोर्ट्स आनी डिनायल ऑफ OCI हो इश्यू जो गोंयकारांक जायते त्रास केले हो इश्यू सुटावो करपाक. जायते आंदोलना उपरांत आमी चार केसी घातल्यो इन द हायकोर्ट. पूण आमकां खुशी भोगता तुमकां गमोवंक की हो इश्यू एप्रिलाचे 4 तारखेर सुटावो जालो म्हणून. कित्याक मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एक्सटर्नल अफेर्स MEA आनी एक सर्क्युलर भायर काडला आनी तांणी सांगलां हे फुडें जे मनशांची पासपोर्ट रिवोक जाल्या तांच्यांनी रिवोक्ड पासपोर्ट सर्टिफिकेट लावन तांकां OCI इश्यू कोत्तले म्हणून. ही एक बरी गजाल. कित्याक पयलीं ते सरेंडर सर्टिफिकेट नासतना OCI स्टेटस दिनासले. पूण आतां हे फुडें विथ द रिवोक्ड पासपोर्ट सर्टिफिकेट एटॅच केल्या उपरांत ज्यांची पासपोर्ट रिवोक जाल्या तांकां OCI स्टेटस मेवतलो. आमकां चड खुशी कित्याक दिस इज अ बिग रिलीफ to many Goans who have been affected, maybe around 500 and more, whose passports have been revoked. There are some people who have not yet revoked their passports. Today also will get the benefit. They have gone through a lot of anguish and mental trauma over the last 18 months, and we are happy to see this relief coming to them. At this juncture, we'd like to thank Dr. Pramod Sawant, who took the initiative to go to Delhi, meet Meenakshi Lekhi, Amit Shah, and mediate with the central government to resolve this issue. We also like to thank Advocate Radharao Gracias, Advocate Carlos Ferreira, Advocate Kantak, Bailan, and many others who supported us to fight the petitions and give us guidance in this time of need. We thank the activists who lent us their voices, especially when we organized the open mic session at Azad Maidan. I'd like to especially thank Mariano Ferrao, Pratima Coutinho, Sadanand Vaingankar, Shankar Polji, Clive Secura, Venancio Gonsalves, and many others who came all the way and made this event a huge success. We thank all the speakers who came. We thank the media who have been supporting us by publishing our press conferences and other things on their platforms. We also thank the sponsors and the advocates who are fighting the case, especially the sponsors who have met the expenses towards these cases. The final hearing of the 4 petitions will be on the 24th of April, and we are hoping that more relief will come from the courts on this issue. आता हो इश्यू रिजॉल्व जाला तो फकत OCIचो, पूण अजून एक मोठो मुद्दो उरलेलो आसा. तो म्हणल्यार जायते जाणांनी फकत आपलें आसेंत रेजिस्टर केलां, तांकां कितें करपाचें. So Goans for Goa will continue to work on this with the government, and if need be, go to the courts to resolve this issue for Goans. सगळ्यांक तुमकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.